Proximity sensors are sensors that react to approach. This takes place without direct contact. They monitor the position of the piston in a pneumatic cylinder, for example. Festo offers the two proximity sensors SME and SMT among others. But what is the difference? And which sensor is better suited to your application? Let's take a look at the two sensors. They differ in the way they work. The SME is a magnetic read sensor. The SMT is a magnetoresistive sensor, also called solid state. The read sensor consists of two ferromagnetic contact blades in a hermetically sealed glass tube. The two contacts are actuated by a magnetic field. A magnet sits on the piston for this purpose. When the magnetic field of the piston approaches, it pulls the contacts together until they touch. This closes the circuit that supplies the output with the signal. This can be further processed, for example by a PLC. A magnetoresistive sensor such as the SMT uses semiconductor components. There is a certain predetermined resistance in the sensor. If the magnetic field of the piston approaches, the electrical resistance changes and the electrons can no longer flow unhindered in a straight line through the material. As a result, the resistance increases, which is detected and passed on as a signal. In summary, both proximity sensors are designed differently. With the SME, the contact is mechanical. With the SMT, it is without contact. This has an effect on the service life. With the SME, there is more wear due to the mechanical contact. This reduces the service life. With the SMT, there is almost no wear. Its service life is virtually unlimited. The two sensors also differ in the area of protective functions. The SME offers no protection against short circuit, overload, or reverse polarity. In the SMT, the entire circuit is built with semiconductor components. This provides protection against short circuit, overload, and reverse polarity. The operating principle of the solid-state solution also allows more compact designs than mechanical options. It can therefore be summarized that the advantages of the solid-state solution of the SMT outweigh the disadvantages. However, there are environmental factors that require a mechanical read solution of the SME. The SME read sensor supports loads greater than 100 milliamps and maximum current up to 500 milliamps. It is suitable for applications ranging from 110 to 230 volts with AC power. It also does not require an additional power source. In summary, the read sensor SME should therefore only be used in applications where the environmental factors require a read solution. Otherwise, it is recommended to use the semiconductor proximity sensor SMT. The reason for this is its long life and its electrical parameters, such as short circuit and overload protection. Festo serves almost every customer requirement with its wide variety of proximity sensors. For example, ADEX, with sensoring output PS or NS, or welding-proof proximity sensors, to name just a few. For more information, please visit the Festo website.